بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the heavens split open
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and listens to the command of its Lord, and only this befits it.
وإذا الأرض مدت
And when the earth is stretched out
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and it casts out whatever is in it and becomes empty,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and it listens to the command of its Lord, and only this befits it.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه
O mankind, indeed you have to certainly run towards your Lord, then you have to meet him.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
So, whosoever is given his record of deeds in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
soon an easy account will be taken from him,
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and he will return to his family happily.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
And whoever is given his record of deeds from behind his back,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
soon he will ask for death,
ويصلى سعيرا
and he will go into the blazing fire.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا
Indeed, he was happy in his home in this world.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور
He assumed that he would never return to his Lord.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا
Yes, why not? Indeed, his Lord is seeing him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق
So I swear an oath by the twilight of the evening,
والليل وما وسق
and by the night and all of those things that gather in it,
والقمر إذا اتسق
and by the moon when it is full.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
You will definitely ascend stage by stage.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون
So, what is the matter with them that they do not accept faith?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون
And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not prostrate.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون
Rather, the disbelievers keep belying.
والله أعلم بما يوعون
And Allah knows well what they keep in their hearts.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم
Therefore, give them the news of a painful punishment.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون
Except those who believed and did good deeds, for them is that reward which will never end.
صدق الله العظيم.